Hey everyone, my name is Trofort Wilson and here's another photo shoot breakdown. Alright guys, so for this photo shoot I had the amazing opportunity to work with my beautiful Aunt to create some new branding and promo images for her brand. So a lot of people ask me, how do I decide what color backgrounds to use? And there's a lot of different variables that you guys can think about, whether it's what the clothing looks like, whether it looks like what the theme looks like. And so for this, I decided to go with the themes. So knowing that for this photo shoot, you wanted to someone have like an outdoor theme that she's sitting outside in a beautiful field, I decided to use two different color backgrounds just to create a nice effect. So for the floor, I decided to use a tan background just to mimic the ground. And for the background behind her, I decided to use a blue background just to mimic a beautiful sky. And as you guys can see in the lighting, there's a beautiful yellow gel happening in the background because I wanted to kind of create this sunlight effect. So instead of having the backlight just aimed at her, I actually had it aimed on the background as well as her, just so that it could give us the effect of the sun actually within the image. So as you guys can see on the side of her, we have this beautiful orange gel looking like it's a nice, beautiful sun glare. And then for the rest of my lighting setup, I used a beauty dish with a diffuser as my key light. For my fill light, I used a parabolic umbrella, and on the other side of her I had a medium strip just to add a nice little highlight on the side of her skin. So when it comes to deciding what color backgrounds you want to use, think about what emotions you want your images to convey, what theme you want it to convey, or what ideas that you want to come across with your images. And so for this image, we knew that we wanted to go for an outdoor feel, so I did use the blue background, I used a tan for the floor, and I used the orange just to mimic the sun. But you know, just have fun with it. There's so much that you can do in studio with your lighting if you don't overthink and you just have fun. So I hope this was a little bit helpful, and be on the lookout for the next video.